Hello guys, today we are going to introduce our new product, the Terry lined cleaning clothes. Let's see the material. The front side is high density polyester for sublimation, and the back side is with Terry lining. It's with nice stitching all over the edge. It's soft, lightweight, comfortable, and machine washable. We have two sizes available. The smaller one is 13 by 18 centimeters and is mainly used as cleaning cloth for the glasses. It's just small pieces, so we can put inside the glasses box. The bigger one is 19 by 23 centimeters and is mainly used as a mouse pad and cleaning cloth. Since the back side is with Terry lined and it will not move on the table, and the front side is glossy, it's easy to move your mouse. It can also be used as a cleaning cloth to clean the computer screen or the table. Now let's get to the printing step. We prepared the blank mouse pad, a printed paper, and heat tape. First, fix the mouse pad on the paper with heat tape. We use Galaxy Hero to do the printing test. Set the machine to 180 degrees and 80 seconds. And use a Teflon cover. Close the handle. Now time's up. Now let's see the printing effect. And the next one. As we know, there are a lot of sublimation mouse pads on market, and the most popular one should be the rubber one. What's the advantage of our Terry lined mouse pad? First, this one, the price is cheaper. It can be used as a promotional gift. Second, it's light in weight and it's easy to ship by air. Shipping cost is cheap. Last but not least is the printing effect. You can see obviously the Terry lined mouse pad printing effect is much better than the rubber one. It looks more bright. The reason is as the back side of the mouse pad is in dark color and the fabric is not so high density, so you can see the dark color came through to the front side. So this one looks darker and this one looks more bright. Since we have our own sewing line in our factory, we can also accept orders for customized sizes. If you are interested in our product, just contact us for more details. Thanks for watching and see you next time.